Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be making Italian sausage with peppers and onions. So first I like to cut them in half and then I peel the skin off the back of them. As you can see, I'm using the hot sausages and sweet sausage. Okay, so now it's time to just cut up the onions and the green peppers. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so once that was done, I'm just going to put some oil in the pan and then I put the sausages in. Now it's just time to flip them over to the other side so they can cook. Okay, so once I was done making the hot sausages, now I'm just going to be adding the sweet sausage into the pot. Okay, so now it's time to cook the onions and peppers. Right here you just see me seasoning them. Okay, so now that everything is done, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I made my plate. Wow, this looks so good. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think.